Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
USP ke East Khasi Hills Rituraj Ravi haba krench kilat pathai khubor hagasngi palai jong katayo ulaong bagi pulit hashela kilayo ya khubor halor ka jingya huri hura kabala jia ha Ichamati hagasngi balang bat marmar ki pulit kilalet shakateka jaka Hynrei Maria poi ki Briew ki bidan kiti kila pet karat no bat hadin ka jing pahara nakaliang ki pulit kilayo jingtip balalap ya kawai ga met yap haga jaka ka bajingai kumba shispa mitar nakayo Hynrei kat badang penlong ye gejing tokit nakaliang kipulit kilayo khubor biang baladon sakawai pat ka met yap ka badalam bad yekini baro ar la penkit no shlong civil hospital na benta ban pendep ye ka post mortem nakaliang USP ula pentip ru baladep ban penrung ar teli ki ejahar hapo ka Shala police station Kiba hapo ka kindon an laispa ar bad gejing tokit kala sedang baru USP ulaong baya gejing tokit lale na ki benta bap her bat ru kat kum ki jingtem ki balayo lum USP ulaong ru ba katanat pulit kalayo ye ki jingtip halor ki Briew kemudian kiti ban Pynïap ye ki argut ki kena samla Ichamati Hynrei hado menta ampat simlakem ya no bat nakaliang katanat pulit kadang penlong ye gejing tokit halor ka ei ka balajia pada ka jok por USP ulakin turu iki pat ba jong ka than bakin penne ye ka shongsuk shongstan bat ru ban bot ye ki kindon jong ka ain
OC Shala at around 5 p.m. yesterday he received information and then he rushed from Shala to Ichamati. The information that he received, but that there are some people in the area. Once he reached there, those people had dispersed. However, when they remained in the area, they were patrolling and all. After half an hour, they received an information that there is one dead body around 100 meters away from the market area. They reached to the spot and they started inquiring into the cause of death, the dead body and all. And once they were inquiring, they received another information that on the way towards Molong, that's around 4 kilometers away from that PO, there was another dead body. Both were later identified as late Ishan Singh and late Sugandatta. After that, our CSU teams and FSL teams, they reached the spot. They conducted the preliminary investigation and inquiry into the matter. After that, the 2 dead bodies were shifted to Shillong Civil Hospital mortuary. Today, the ministerial inquiry has been conducted and post-mortem examination is going on. Investigating into it from all the angles that we have before us and all the information that we have in front of us. However, I am not at liberty to disclose the investigation details at this moment. Thank you. 2 separate FIRs have been filed at Shala PS, both under 302 murder. And investigation has already started into both the cases. In this case, we are investigating from all the information, from all the angles. I am not ruling out anything. I am not commenting on anything. These are parts of investigation right now. Once we have any confirmed and verified information, we will issue a separate press release.
And who was the
We don't have information on that. Thank you.
From the authorities concerned.
So, this incident, we are investigating from the perspective of 2 murders that happened last night. Now, if whosoever individuals are involved in this particular incident, we have gotten certain leads and till now we have not been able to make any arrests, but we are pursuing the case from all perspectives. Now is normal there. We have sent in additional forces and reinforcement there, and we are monitoring the situation very closely, but as of now it is peaceful. They were laborers working in limestone quarries, but whether they were working in the same mining, I will check and get back to you. Thank you. That's what I answered similar query earlier, that we are not ruling out anything and we are not commenting on that. We are investigating the case from all angles, all perspective. Anything concrete or conclusive comes up, we will issue a separate press release. Thank you. We are still investigating, and in that case also we have made it very clear that anybody who was involved in whatsoever capacity will be brought to justice, and for that particular reason the investigation in that particular case is still going on, not after the last arrest.